Natural bird nests are made up of swiftlet saliva. Sometimes feathers and debris will accidentally mix in. Pristine Farm's cleaning process is a labor-intensive hand-picked process, which is one of the cleanest ways of processing in the industry, without using any chemicals or bleach. It's common that without artificial chemicals and natural cleaning processes, the tiny particles from the natural environment will sometimes remain deep inside the bird nest. But such particles are harmless when cooked and consumed.